part of our noodles vending machine, and this part is used for keeping the noodles in the fridge. So this is the small module for keeping about 27 or 56 plates of noodles in here. And the mechanism is very simple. Here will be the freezing system, and if I say about the mechanical system, this is the lifting part. It will go to the up, and this is the part for giving the noodles plate, and when it gives a plate of noodles, then it moves to down, and at this level it will deliver the noodles plate. So the conveyor belt will start to move and it will give, and here will be our delivery point, and then it will serve to here, and when it will serve the plate, it will go down. And this is the basic work of this part. So let's start to see.